Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another Mat 142 concept session. Today, we're going to be talking about how to create Venn diagrams given multiple sets. My name is Nick, and I work at the ASU Tutoring Center, so let's go ahead and get started. Now, really, when you're given four sets, like we are here, right, each with overlapping numbers, some might be just independent to one set. It's really important that you kind of organize everything out, right? So the way that I would kind of organize this is first off, just write out all of the values that you have in each of your sets, right? So it looks like just kind of looking at this, we have basically the numbers 20 through 29 on here, right? So I'm going to just go ahead and write that out real quick. And 29. And what I usually do is basically indicate below the numbers or next to the numbers which sets this number appears in, right? So for 20, we have U, X, and Y. Okay. For 21, we have just U. For 22, we have U, W, and then X and Y. Oh, I'm running out of space there. Sorry. For 23, we have U and X, right? For 24, we have U and X again. For 25, we have U, W, X, and not Y. For 26, we have U and X. 27, we have U and Y. 28, we have U and X. And then for 29, we have U, W, and Y. Now, you're probably wondering, this kind of just looks like a big giant mess, right? But what we can actually do is use this to help us kind of create our Venn diagram over here. So what I'm going to do now is just go through where these numbers appear in the sets and then draw and write in the numbers where they actually go. So for here for 20, we have U, X, and Y, right? So let's see. So let's look at the X and Y overlap here. And that's where 20 will go. Because if you notice, U has all of the numbers, right? So the only numbers that we're going to put outside of this Venn diagram are the numbers that are only in U and that aren't in Y, X, and W. Okay. So that's why we're putting U or 20 here. And we're just kind of ignoring the U and only looking at the X and Y overlap because it's already known that 20 is in U. Okay. But for like 21, for instance, where it's not in any other set, we'll write 21 on the outside here. So it's still in the square of U, but not in X, W, or Y. Now for 22, we're in U, W, X, and Y. So that's all four of the sets, right? So we're going to go ahead and put that here in the complete center, right? Because 22 is in W, 22 is in X, and also 22 is in Y. Now for 23, they're just in U and X. So I'm going to go ahead and write 23 over here, as well as 24. For 25, it's in W and X, so we can put 25 over here. Oh, sorry. It said, oh wait, yeah, U, W, and X. I was right. Need to doubt myself there. Let's see. 26 is also an X. 27 is in U, and I can't read that handwriting. I think it's Y. It is Y. 27 is in Y. And then we have 28, which is in X. And then 29, which is in W and Y. No love for W there. Sorry about that. But that's going to be basically how you distribute those numbers, right? So you just need to look at which sets overlap. If you do have this kind of like universal set, you're only going to be putting, remember, you're only going to be putting the numbers that are only in the universal set and in none of the other sets on the outside here, just like what we did for 21, right? So that's really the name of the game here. And it's just important to make sure that you stay organized and make sure that you're accounting for every occurrence of every number, right? But other than that, if you have any other questions, go ahead and check out this website on your screen right here. Once you click on that website, it'll direct you to a list of all of the services that we offer, as well as it provides you a text box where you can type in the specific course you're looking for tutoring for. And what it'll actually do is spit out the schedules of all the tutors that can tutor that specific class. So then from there, you can kind of plan your schedule around when they work and come in and visit the tutoring centers to actually receive tutoring from one of our tutors. But other than that, that's all I have for you today. So I hope you have a great rest of your day and good luck in your course.